Sophie, congratulations on a goal tonight. Can you talk us through the game?
Yeah, it was a tough game, tough opposition. I think first half we were excellent and second half they came out fighting, and we probably didn't expect the feistiness of them, but I think overall we were on top for most of the game, which is quite frustrating that we didn't get the win in the end. I think we had a lot of chances compared to them and minimised their chances in front of our goal. And obviously overall got the draw, but things to improve on for next game as well.
Your first goal since coming back from your injury, what does that mean to you?
Well, it's not hard because I don't score many goals, but no, it is nice to get on the score sheet. I think it's happening a little bit more now since my knee, which is a little bit strange actually, but I didn't have to do much because Lily's ball in was phenomenal and just had to guide it in with my head.
Looking ahead to the game on Tuesday against Switzerland, what kind of game are you expecting?
Again, they're a very good tactical team. I think they move the ball really well, create numbers out wide, overload, so I think we'll have to try and manage them. They've got a lot of fast forward players who like to dribble with the ball, so our backline will have to be front footed, but again, just try and put the chances that we didn't score tonight and keep working on the training pitch with it.
Well, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations eto, diolch.
Thank you.